It's just Star Pause here, and it's been a while since I made a Lowe's Pet Shop video, but I just have no ideas, and plus school. Anywho, let's get back to the topic. I have brought you a new video called 10 Things I Hate About Airplanes. Yes, I know Sugar Diamond made one, but I was inspired by that. And before we start, I must give a shout out to HunterMaster22. He has really cool videos, like some are about Minecraft or some are about snakes. So if you're interested in that type of stuff, go to his channel. Anyway, thing number one would have to be making sure you have everything. Okay. Hopefully I have everything before I got on the plane. Wait. I forgot my toothbrush. Thing number two would have to be those crying babies when you just want to relax, but then you hear crying babies. Then this gets on your nerves. Okay, just have to wait until everything gets started. Shh, baby, be quiet while I'm playing. Shh, shh, don't cry, baby, don't cry. Why? The third one must be that one kid that just keeps kicking your seat. And you even tell him to stop. But he doesn't. And it gets really annoying. Kid, can you stop kicking my seat, please? Thank you. Alright, that's it. Hey kid, stop kicking my seat. And why would I do that? If you don't, I will tell the flight attendant. Mama, this girl's threatening me. You did not just threaten my child. Threaten my child again, and I will tell the captain, and I will get you kicked off this ship. This plane, I mean. Boy, but I wasn't. And, to be honest, your son was kicking. No, he was not. I did not see him. I did not see him. No, I did not. So don't ever threaten my baby again, otherwise I will get you kicked off this plane. Whatever. The fourth one would have to be the food. What I mean by that is, it could not taste good as great, or just as what, it cannot, if you've had it before, and it tastes really weird, I wonder if this is gonna come. According to all passengers, we're gonna start doing the food cart, so please, put out your tray. Thank you. Will that answer my question? Yes, ma'am. What would you like? I would like a veggie burger, some carrots, and a Coke, please. Okay, that'll be right out. Okay, let's get this food. Here you go, miss. And some carrots. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay, let's see what we have. This is not a veggie burger. It's just a burger with just some lettuce. Should they get my carrots? And my coat. Oh well, it's still a burger. I'll say, I guess. It'll just say it's like bun and lettuce. The third one would have to be when someone goes to the bathroom. Like, and they just have to crawl on you. It's like, is that seriously necessary? No, it is not. Ooh, I have to go to the bathroom. Ow. Ow. That was like so not necessary. I just walked in front of me. The sixth one would have to be when you're like thinking the plane's gonna crash. This has a lot of explaining to do, I bet. Okay, so to be honest, I've never been on a plane before, and that's one of the reasons why I don't want to go on a plane ever. Not even if I were to go see relatives. But I doubt I have any relatives anywhere in the world. Okay. The plane's not gonna crash. The plane's not gonna crash. The plane's not gonna crash. Oh god, is the plane gonna crash? I don't know anymore. The plane's not gonna crash. It's okay, Abby. The plane's not gonna crash. The seventh one is like when you sit to that one annoying person. Like, and just, he like, I don't know, like, it's just annoying. Like, I don't know, just annoying, I guess. I don't know. Hey, ma'am, miss, hey. Yeah. You want to hear a joke? I guess. Okay. Like, it's a pizza joke. You don't want to hear it? I guess. No, it's too cheesy. Oh my god. I mean, yeah, I know. Hey. Number 8 would have to be like, but it's time to sleep. And like that person sitting next to you or anybody at all, like, has like a little light on because they are too scared. Now, this is not me. I am like, whatever. According to all passengers, we are going to be, we're gonna go to sleep. So, like, if you want to go to sleep, then you can, or whatever. I don't know. Yay, finally sleep. Seriously? Come on, man. Number 9 would have to be when no one turns off their phone or any electronic, and like they're supposed to. That is just stupid. Hello, passengers. I don't have to tell all of you to turn off the device you have. Thank you. Oh, I still have my phone with me. Seriously? That girl's not turning her phone off? Okay, last but not least, when it gets hijacked. Yeah, that's the other reason why I don't go on planes. all passengers, I must tell you, we're about to land. We're gonna land in a few minutes. Thank you. Okay, we're almost landing. Okay, everybody, this is a hijack. No one's going anywhere. No one's going anywhere. Going anywhere, I mean. Why me? Why? Okay, well, that's it for now. Thanks, guys, and remember to subscribe, to like and subscribe, and like and go to and remember to subscribe to Master 22. Bye. Hey, Abby, are you almost done? Because if you are, let's go out to get some ice cream. Woo! Ice cream! Oh, whoops, I forgot to turn off the camera.